All right, Clapper fam. I'm coming to you today with Texas. Tomorrow will be Pennsylvania. And what we're talking about today is a, I don't know what you want to call it, fairy tale, folklore, whatever, of the Texas Big Bird. The Texas Big Bird was first spotted flying over the Rio Grande Valley in January of 1976. Despite the descriptions, or the name I should say, it didn't look like a bird. They said it could stand up to 5 feet, had very large wings, which it usually kept folded back, and possessed really bright red eyes, and had a gorilla-like face. This was witnessed by at least 2 people in the beginning. I'm not going to try to say their names because I just butcher it. But this is one of 2 of these mythical monsters or cryptoids, or whatever you want to say. I call them cryptoids because they could be real. Who knows? So that was my take on Texas. This is another state I'll probably revisit. Hope you guys are having a great day. Stay woken. Stay safe.